Hey guys, I'm Jeff. Welcome to the channel. If you've been here before, it's great to have you back. And if you're new, today we're all going to do something new. 7 stocks, we're going to look at them and ask which one did worse. Nvidia, Celsius, Camtek, Axcelis, Supermicro Computer, Vertiv, or Vistra Energy. I just thought this would be a really cool way of sort of looking at what's been going on in the markets with these 7 stocks. Some of them obviously are huge names like Nvidia, and others are companies that may not be as big or huge or well known, but I've talked about them on this channel and many of you are already familiar with them. So let's take a look. The first one, Nvidia, negative 18.85% over the last week. That's the 5-day return. And this is as of today. Today is August the 8th, 2024. Celsius actually has performed worse than Nvidia during the past week, negative 20.39%. This is a very interesting stock. I'm actually going to do a video just about Celsius very soon. Camtek, negative 19.01. This is an Israeli semiconductor capital equipment company. I've noticed that Camtek's stock price tends to move in lockstep with Nvidia, at least this year. It's had an amazing year. This particular stock has done very well. But as Nvidia started to take the hit and fall on AI concerns, Camtek has done similarly. Axcelis Technologies, negative 13.07, not as big a fall as Nvidia or Celsius, as many of you guys know, and it hasn't fallen as much as Camtek either. Axcelis is one of my biggest semiconductor holdings. I started investing in it on the 2nd of January of this year, and I continue to add to Axcelis. The next one I mentioned, Supermicro Computer, SMCI, that stock is down 32.39% so far this year. And the next one is Vertiv, and that's negative 14.90%. This one has, AI data centers as they have become more and more popular, and people have been thinking that AI is really going to be the thing of the future. Vertiv has been just on fire, as has Supermicro Computer. So Vertiv is down negative 14.9 in the past week. And Vistra Energy, what do you think? Turns out of all the companies mentioned, Vistra is actually down the least at negative 4.48%. So I think part of the reason is that Vistra has just gotten hit really hard during the past month and a half. And so the past week, it didn't really have that much further to fall. But anyways, just looking at the last week, I think the biggest loser was Supermicro Computer at negative 32.39%. And next to that, it's been Celsius Energy Drink at negative 20.39%. So what do you think? Do you like this? I think maybe in the future I'll do this segment a little more often, which is the biggest loser. I could even look at which is the biggest winner. So let me know what you think about this little segment of taking a look at like the 7 biggest losers of the week. And if you would prefer knowing what the 7 biggest winners are, because I could easily do that. And also let me know if there a sector that you would like me to focus on specifically. I could look at like the energy and power generation sector or the semiconductor sector. So let me know kind of which way you'd like me to go with which stocks I look at, and maybe I could tailor my future videos to what is most interesting to you guys. So glad you stopped by today. Tap that little like button if you haven't already. It really helps get the algorithm to share this video with other people who might like small cap stock investing, growth stocks, semiconductor stocks, and power generation stocks, because that is what this channel is all about. Thanks so much for stopping by today, and I will see you in the next video.